there was a name that always associated with your name, but I want to see it from your point of view. Pink Panther from Black Cat.
Pink Panther.
How was that linked there? Because whenever you speak to Panther, you're one of the first names he brings up when he says artists that really he helped put through that door was Fenda.
Yeah, all right. Panther is a man where take my career to a different level. You know what I mean? At first, Ricky Trooper, are the man who used to record for. You know what I mean? When he have war, used to go voice Ricky Trooper, go up a jar, and I come in and say, hey, come in.
Yeah.
And then he must say, Ricky Trooper is a man who I say, yo, me make 10 new song. And then I go to boom boom one DJ, I'll 10 new song, and I must say, yo, full song, I don't want them to song, they not going to come out of the studio. I don't want them to song, them the song, they can't win no clash. You know what I mean? But it was a thing for us to get me more sharper. Then I said, oh, them go away for a good time and forward back again. I said, let me hear some new song. You know what I mean? And then now I'm start hear something. I say, yeah, you ready now. This is me I did. But one time I link up with Panther. Panther is a man who orchestrate me thing them. Like, he would then say, let me say, shut him out and bad man talking. He would then change it when I say, so now go dead. I say, early this morning, wake you up and make you dub them. Yeah, you understand? So them thing there. So him just kind of sit down with me and orchestrate. And like when him have World Clash, you know, I say, yo, you may I use and win World Clash, you know. Chuck Fenda may I use, you know, may I use and Richie Spice, you know. You know what I mean? So when the Fifth Element starts, so we even pushed a little bit further. You know what I mean? Him use my song them. God is my witness, oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
Before I know, listen, that whole, we're not going to get to that segment yet because you see, that segment was so crazy when it came to reggae and dancehall, that segment there. We soon get there. Panther them, so okay, you link with Panther, you're doing your stuff. You know. Shut him out when Badman talking. How do you know that song really bust now? Were you still back in Jamaica or you went back to the States?
That's in night when I recorded it. Because John just said, put on the tight clothes with him. And when him, Suko, War 21, because Suko was the engineer, you know. When I went there, War 21, there was a mark around the dub plate studio.
Yeah.
Suko was the engineer. So Suko put on the rhythm now and toom, 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 toom. I must say, yo, I have a bad killer upon this and when you come something bad, you know.
Yeah.
And I listen to it and I say, all right, ready. I'm just going and put on the headphone and say, shut your mouth when bad man. Came out the moment a gun song upon that because they don't know, we never see the light at the time. You know what I mean? I'm go around there and I must say, yo, man run out of the studio.
Yeah.
I'm going to call him father and say, King, you want to hear the youth in the studio? And then King come round now and hear a song. And then him listen to his song and him send call me the next day in him office. And I say, yo, you want boss? Man say, me are the king. John I'm a little son. You know what I mean? I'm going to take it to the highest level, you know?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.